Okay. So 8 a.m., 7:59 actually. Let's get started. I'm gonna show the economic calendar for today. So yes, we do have economic news, CPI at 8:30. So this one is a big one. We will wait for it for sure and see what's going on. Then at 10 a.m., Michael Barr from FOMC speaks, and then that would be it. Another one there. Tomorrow we would have at 8:30 also PPI and retail sales. That would be important as well. So let's move this one out of the way. Forex Factory is going to show us the same thing. A little bit of more detail for today. So 8:30 news, and these are the numbers expected. We'll see what is going to happen at 8:30. So for that reason, and because it's important, what I'm gonna do is to trigger my alarm here. I don't think that I will forget, but just to know that just to be alerted 10 minutes before, just in case. Okay, so let's get to the daily charts on Thinkorswim before we go into the time charts and point and figure levels. So this one is the weekly. I'm going to hide the weekly actually and just showing the daily on gold. So yesterday we were saying that we were facing actually a resistance, a support level right here, and it actually bounced back up. But now we are below this trend line still. We will see what is going to happen with the news because news can change everything. But if you notice here, we are right above this trend line, and I created this trend line connected this point here with that point there. I don't have any more intermediate pivots, so this one it's not a really big pivot, but I'm using it anyways. Maybe in the lower time frame, I will see a pivot more sophisticated than this one with more form of a pivot actually. And then it came back down, and now it's trying to cross above this one. And if you see, it's right above the 30 days moving average as well. So for that reason, I'm a little bit bullish on this bounce. Let's do something else. Let me go to I do have a fib here. And I'm gonna remove that one. And I'm gonna paint a fib retracement from here to there and see at what level we are. We're at 68.1 on the retracement here. Probably I could do it this other way. So what I'm gonna do is to take it. It is the same thing, but let's take this one here. And now we are looking for a potential retracement to this 50 or to this 68.1. Momentum is still down, and then we do have intermediate MFC falling on this one. So we can consider this one a bear flag but we are above the 30 days moving average, below the 10. So I would say that in here we could be, in a compression, waiting for the bear flag to trigger. That could be a good assumption. Let's go back to the. This one was not the one, it's the default there where I do have all the drawings. So yeah, that's gold, crude. Okay, crude here we are below. Oh, hold on, one more thing. If you notice here in gold, we are below the first day opening range, so we are still bearish for the month of November. In crude oil, we are also below this first day range. And as I said before, remember, I said yesterday, we did have 1, 2, and third touch. There could be a good possibility for a reversal here out of this wedge. And it did happen, actually moved. And then, I mean, we were in this range here. And then yesterday broke to the upside. We will see what's going to happen now. Momentum is turning positive here, and then also the stochastics, and we do have intermediate rising. So short term should be bullish. The problem with this one is that we do have some good resistance here. The 10 days and the 30 days are above us, so this one is a counter trend trade. What could happen also is that in a shape of a trend reversal, breakout should be going lower lows and lower highs. Then you have a higher a high, and then you're looking for a higher low here for it to go and reverse there. So you're looking the break of that level there. That would be on the dailies. Okay. ES. Very rangy day yesterday. Actually, it was a account destroyer, I would say. I did not trade ES yesterday, but look at this candle right here from there to there. Very rangy day, I would say. There was a couple of good moves to the upside off of this low here. And today it's not behaving before the news. It's not behaving that much different on the overnight. There was a reversal, though, off of this trend line right here on the daily. Now, on the upside, if you're bullish on this market, and the sentiment could support that one. So you have stochastics and momentum and MACD positive still, and then you do have over bought area in the MFC, but the intermediate line is still rising. So you could argue that you're still bullish on this one. We are at support for sure. I mean, at resistance for sure, formed by that one. And then probably there's a level here that would be also supportive of that level. And then you do have another point there that is also that is also reinforcing that this important level 44, 30, 50. Okay, and in Q. Okay, so what else on this one? Yeah, we are above the moving averages for sure. 30 days moving average and the 10 days moving average are below. It just crossed above the 10 crossed above the 30. So that's bullish there. I would like to see some retracement before it continue moves to the downside. And I said it yesterday, you know, the move from this low to that high was spectacular. So, you know, going and try to buy something here, for me at least, I mean, it's up to you, but for me at least, is a little bit chasing it. And if we paint here the what is it? The Fibonacci retracement from that point here to that point, you could argue that if it breaks, you would have a target to 45.14, which is 127.2 off of this Fib retracement. Okay, and then finally NQ, and NQ is bullish for sure. Had this big move. Okay, hold on. Let me go and so we crossed this diagonal already right here. Oh, this is not the one. We crossed this diagonal here, and now we are. I would expect that this one would visit this one if it wants to keep moving higher. We are above this support level now, which was resistance back here, and we are above the first day opening range. A little bit of weakness in stochastics and some soft move in the MACD, but the intermediate line is still rising and at 93.58 level. So still bullish on that end. Let's take this. Let's look at RTY. RTY is kind of like in a bear flag here, going in a triangle actually. So let's look at this, and let's put a line here from this pivot low to that there, and now we are in a triangle, you know, here to there. So for sure it's compressing. There's one touch, two. I would expect this one to go a little bit higher and then go down. But we are above the range here. Intermediate line is falling, so bearish. And then we do have one red arrow here for the stochastics. And there's a little bit of weakness also in the MACD. So, you know, compressing, I would say that it's in compression now. Okay, so let's review the levels. The levels yesterday worked very good. Well, it's normal if that happen when that happened when you have a range day. So let's go to the other monitor, and let's go and look at the levels for today on gold. So, okay, gold, we do have the 2000 level way above here now. But as far as levels, yesterday we crossed this level we marked yesterday. It was ranging here the whole day, and then in the afternoon just move all the way up here. So let's see today what we have. Now this support this resistance now becomes support. So I'm going to move it right here to that level. Support yesterday was 1945. I'm gonna respect that one today as well. 1945. And now the resistance level actually was not 1945, was 1946, I believe. Yeah, 1946. And then this one here, I'm going to put it right above that break on that Darvas level in here. So above that Darvas level, that would be 1953. We are right at price is now right below this support level here. So yeah, I believe that they are waiting for the news for sure. Okay, let's go to the time charts and go to time charts here. Okay, so dailies in support on the 50 SMA, and then in the range bearish, in the range but bearish. You see how how gold is moving down in the 240 minutes. Also in the range in the 60 minutes, and doing a little bit of a trend reversal over here. So it came back down, double bottom here, and then broke to the upside. So there's a trend reversal. Not very textbook, but still. So moved up, and then now it's in the range. And then in the 30 minutes, it's in the range. I mean, news is going to could change everything here and make these markets move. Especially yesterday, because yesterday was kind of a range day. Let's go to this other chart for crude, and let's review the levels here. So we do have that resistance here in the overnight. Market opened at around that level and then came back. Is coming back now here in crude. So probably is resetting here. I'm gonna move this level to that top right here and see if it comes back and visit this area. There's also some level of support at the price that it's now. 2 minutes for crude to open, for gold to open. So let's move this one here. I'm gonna keep that support level here. This one I believe that it's a little bit more strong than this level here from yesterday. It's more recent, but there's big a pivot here with a double top right there. So we'll see. Let's go back to the other chart and check the time charts for crude. And in the 240 minutes, you see how this one touched the moving average, the 50, and it's trying to come back on this last candle here. Little bit of retracement in this move to crude on in the moving averages are compressing. Unless this one breaks above this level here, we are still in compression, and I would say that it's very probable that this one is going to visit this 50 and then bounce back up off of that level. Top there. Yeah, I would say that would be probably the behavior on this one. Let me move this one a little bit more to the right, to the left. Okay. News in 10 minutes. And now let's go to see what's going on with the levels for ES. ES here. Again, this is kind of more study analysis than everything, because with news right in 10 minutes, this could change the whole thing. So let me see here. Okay, I like this one here as a support level, and then in here, unless we don't have anything else on the left side, which we do though, but at that same level, so we are right at that support level now. I'm gonna put my resistance level right up here. So 44.35 is what I'm seeing here, 44.35 here. And then 44.10, actually 44.12, but I'm gonna put 44.10 and see how it looks. Yeah, I'm okay with that. So 44.10 as a support, 44.35 as a resistance right there. So let's see. It's really threatening to move higher here. Momentum is turning down a little. So there's red and mix, red and green bars in the momentum. But I think that there's good possibilities that this one would break. So let's see. 8 minutes for news. And let's look at the time charts. In NQ, in ES. And ES, so we are above the moving averages here. So we do have kind of like starting to spread apart in the dailies, spreading apart in the 240 minutes. So I'm more bullish than bearish on ES. Here we do have a double top and then triple top here. So, you know, right at resistance, strong resistance here, well defined triple top here, and it could break to the upside and then keep moving. We'll see if that would happen. And then on the 30 minutes, we are the lines are, the fast line and the slow line are above the zero line, but there is a red. We do have red bars here, so. Okay, so ES. And then finally, let's go to NQ. NQ. Let's go to the other monitor and expand the point and figure chart here. From yesterday, we did have level. It was really respected the levels. It came back down to the support area and then bounced back up to the resistance area in this range here. Let's take. I don't think that today is going to be that much different. So for that reason, 14. There's a Darvas right up here. I'm gonna put that at the same level as yesterday. And then this one, same thing. I'm gonna keep those levels here. So if we open this, support for 15,460. And resistance, I'm gonna put this one as 20. So 15,620. There's one area here that I think that it's a significant area of support. It's a little bit above that one there, and for that reason, I'm gonna change this to 70. A little bit above there. You see, it's really at that level here. Okay, I'm fine with that. And then we do have this line here that is going to alert us as well on that. So let's get the charts squared down. And let's go to the time charts for NQ. 3 minutes for news. Well, let's I'm going to, before I go to NQ, I'm going to put this one here just to see the news. And on the other monitor, I'm having this Forex Factory site. It says here in 2 minutes we're going to have news. So since it's significant, I'm going to watch it. And then after the news are released, I'm gonna go into. You see that this thing is gonna fly, I believe. Crude is coming down. Towards the resistance towards the support level. The 30 minutes broke the the 30 minutes broke the 50 SMA to the downside. Okay, now we should have, in 10 seconds, we should have the fireworks. And it's going to fly. Look at this. I'm not going to do anything. Boom, boom, boom. Look at that. Look at that. Really exploded to the upside. Crazy. Yes. NQ. Everything up. Let's see what happened to our levels. Whoa. Crazy move. And actually, if you think that you would be able to trade this, you would be wrong. And probably, I mean, if you took a just an order here and you didn't have stops, then it would move all the way there. But that one for me is guessing, so I don't trade that. Let's keep moving higher. It's NQ now. It's at R3, and ES also it's at R3. Gold also moving to the upside. Right at R2. Now touch R2 in just a millisecond there. Well, hopefully you made money on this move. I'm aside. Well, it's keep moving down, moving up. 40, 46. Let's look at the Think or Swim platform. I'm gonna put it here in the main screen. Nice fireworks, huh? Okay. So gold, $11 up in a counter trend, and then it broke finally this downtrend here. So that one is still moving up. Crude 34. This one has not moved really, so not affected by news. ES $51 up, so went there and it's now touching the this other trend line here. So at resistance now. We'll see what it's going to do. Probably it's going to retrace back a little bit. I'm gonna put did I change this one already? So where was it? Fib. Okay. Remove. And then now that it broke to the upside, I'm gonna do this and try to determine what would be the target for this one move. 127, so that would be the first target here, and then 161 up here. Nice. Nice. Okay. Intermediate rising, bull. Now it's coming back down. And then NQ $233 up and keep moving north. Probably to visit that diagonal there. I thought that it could go back down and then but this pullback really triggered today after the news. Okay. All right, so market is resting now, a little bit oversold, I would say, right? You know, I would like it to come back to the levels where it's tradable again and reset. Right now, to try to you know, chase the market at these levels, I don't feel comfortable, and I don't know, and I have to respect the bulls here. So. Okay, so last thing we were going to do was to review the NQ. And now that the news are out, I don't know if that makes that much sense, but you see that the level broke to the upside here on the 240 minutes. Continuation move in the dailies here. 30 minutes just exploded with the news right here. So went through this triple top right here, or double top right here, all the way up there. It's extended. So and then in the 60 minutes also last that move was kind of spectacular, actually. Incredible. All right, so let's go back here, and that would be the analysis for today. And I'm gonna leave you with some music for now, and then at the end of the stream, if there's anything that I need to comment on the charts in the meantime, I will. So remember, there is a 70% discount on Apex, valid until November 28th. So you still have time to pick up some of those contracts if this is something you want to do. And don't forget to like the video. Thank you so much for that. Okay, I guess that was my stream for today. I review the levels, and I'm going to get prepared for trading now. So thank you so much for watching. Remember to like the video, and see you guys next time.